Different ways to say I love you. I adore you. I'm crazy about you. I cherish you. I can't live without you. I'm fond of you. I'm head over heels for you. You mean the world to me. You're my everything. You're the love of my life. I'm all about you. You light up my life. You're my person. I'm so in love with you. I've got a soft spot for you. You're my soulmate. I'm falling for you. I'm mad about you. You have my heart. I'm smitten with you. You complete me. Like this video if you learned something.